Office is now Microsoft 365, the premier productivity suite with innovative productivity apps, intelligent cloud services, and world-class security. Office.com, the Office mobile app, and the Office app for Windows are now the Microsoft 365 app with a new icon, a new look, and even more features designed to help you achieve more. These changes will apply to everyone who uses the Office app for work, school, or personal use. Office on the Web is a free, lightweight web version of Microsoft Office and primarily includes 3 web applications: Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. The offering also includes Outlook.com, OneNote, and OneDrive, which are accessible through a unified app switcher. Users can install the on-premises version of this service, called Office Online Server, in private clouds in conjunction with SharePoint, Microsoft Exchange Server, and Microsoft Lindsay Server. Office on the Web lacks a number of the advanced features present in the full desktop versions of Office, including lacking the program's access and publisher entirely. However, users are able to select the Command Open in Desktop app. That brings up the document in the desktop version of Office on their computer or device to utilize the advanced features there.